Whoa! Now that was a fast 2 weeks of learning. Now we're back with some more fun activities that you can do for these next 2 weeks. One of my favorite activities is called Flashcard Facts. For this activity, you create your own set of multiplication flashcards. Then you use them daily to sharpen up your computation skills. Then you can challenge other people to know their facts too. Like, what is 3 times 4?
12. Woo, you can give me a harder one. For the next 2 weeks in ELA, you'll be learning about prefixes and root words and context clues. And then you will be working on figuring out synonyms, antonyms, and homophones. Knowing the difference between those can be a little tricky, so I'm going to teach you a cheer to help. So we're going to talk about synonyms first. So let's make an S with our body. Make an S. And then we're going to bring our hands together and clap. And when we do, we're going to say means the same, because synonyms mean the same. Do it with me twice. Here we go. Synonyms mean the same. Synonyms mean the same. All right. Now for antonyms, let's make an A above. So we've got an A. Now antonyms are words that mean the opposite. So when we say that, we're going to take our hands and push them apart. So antonyms mean the opposite. With me, antonyms mean the opposite. And our last one is homophones. Homophones are 2 words that sound the same but are spelled different. So we're going to put up 2 for 2 words, and then we're going to show our ears for sounds the same and push our hands apart because they mean different things. So do homophones with me. Homophones are 2 words that sound the same but are spelled different. All right, let's do all 3. Are you ready? Here we go with synonyms. Synonyms mean the same. Synonyms mean the same. Antonyms mean the opposite. Antonyms mean the opposite. Homophones are 2 words that sound the same but are spelled different. Homophones are 2 words that sound the same but are spelled different. All right, guys, have fun cheering this week.
For the next couple of weeks, you'll be working on fact families to create multiplication division sentences and identifying a multiplication sentence for a given array. Now, an array demonstrates a multiplication sentence. The first factor tells us how many rows there are. Now, how many rows are in this array? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, there are 4 rows. Now, the second factor tells us how many there are in each row. How many are there in each row? Whisper it to me. 3. Now, as you know, the answer to a multiplication sentence is called the product. What is the product of this array? 12. We know this because 4 times 3 equals 12. Great job. I hope you have fun working on your mathematics these next few weeks.
Your work makes me burst with joy.